start.
Hello, I'm Percy. We will learn about electric bell. An electric bell is a mechanical or electronic bell that functions by means of an electromagnet. When an electric current is applied, it produces a repetitive buzzing, clanging or ringing sound. Electric bells are widely used at railroad crossings, in telephones, fire and burglar alarms, as school bells, doorbells, and alarms in industrial plants, since the late 1800s. But they are now being widely replaced with electronic sounders. In general, we will show you a schematic diagram of an electric bell. The components are a switch, battery, wire, iron core, spring-loaded of iron strip close to the electromagnet, a clapper, and a gong made of metal. Metals can produce a sonorous sound and is an important use. They are a good conductor of heat and electricity. If some other type is used as wood instead of metal, an electric bell will not produce any sonorous sounds. The sound dies down instantly, but in metals the sound dies down slowly. Now, when you press a switch, the current starts flowing, thus generating electricity. The iron core can thus form into electromagnet. The clapper, in resemblance with the hammer, strikes the gong and it makes the dinging sound, then the electromagnet tries to pull back to the original position. This repeats the process, and is very rapid speed, actually about 50 to 60 strikes every second, according to the electrical frequency. That's why electric bells ring in school can be considered as a school bell. When this happens, its lesson period changes either half an hour, or 1 hour, they show it in the timetable. Other one is called a doorbell. When you press the switch, the doorbell rings, but with two striking tones, that is two gongs, made of same metal but different sonorous sounds. This lets you know as a guest arrives in your house to let your families greet. Other can be made of speaker type, that is complete electronic type, such as melody playing sound, and chirping bird sounds. And the other called a fire alarm bell. When you trigger or pull down a switch, it starts ringing continuously unless the switch and the systems are reset. Fire alarm bells are of red color, to warn the people that are ready to evacuate from the building, making a practical of fire drills. Other equipment is made of piezoelectric, that are used in smoke detectors. Other fire alarm equipment is made of loudspeaker, making a blaring noise, is the similar way, they are of electronic type. So now we have compared and contrasted between electric bell and piezoelectric type. Like, comment, and subscribe now.